Drone TV, voice of drone technology, GIS and AI technologies. Introducing Rini Bansal, Director Business Development at Carbon Light.
Hello, I'm Prerna Jadhav from Drone TV, bringing all the live coverage of this exciting event that is Drone Expo 2025 on our platform that is Drone TV.
Okay.
So, could you please introduce yourself and tell us more about yourself and what's your role in your company?
Sure. Hi, this is Rini from Carbon Light Private Limited. I'm Director Business Development in Carbon Light.
Okay.
So at Carbon Light, we manufacture advanced composite products for defense, aerospace, medical and industrial application. So the objective of our company is to provide indigenized solutions to India so that we do not import any products and we are self-reliant in this field. So we are not limited with composite. We can be your problem solver. So if you have any problem statement which involves lightweight and if there is no one in India doing that, we are up for the task. Yeah.
That's great. Could you please explain your products in detail, like what's their work and how they can be useful in the drones?
Sure. So at the moment here in Drone Expo, we are showcasing our solutions for drone application. So if you see one of my product, like these are the machine sheets. So what we do is we customize each and every product, as in customer will be having a design concept ready and they share it with us. And then we can make the design into reality. So this is one of the sheets with very advanced cutting so that there is no fray and the strength is not compromised at any level.
Like based on the user requirement?
Yes, based on the user requirement. And then you see this is one of the very complex shape. The mold manufacturing for it is very, very complex and we have come up very beautifully with this product and customer is fully satisfied. The painting and all the processes is done in-house. We even manufacture the tools in-house. So as I said, we want to make India self-reliant as well as we want to increase the exports. So we are exporting our products as well. You see here we come up a very good concept of a winch. So this is winch that is used in drone industry. So this is one of the products for us. Here you see these are the square tubes which are very, very complicated to manufacture. So these are our standard products. Then we manufacture pure carbon fiber sheet and sandwich construction with different sizes as per the requirement. So, yeah.
That's a great answer. Like based on the user requirement, you all prepare this carbon.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So what is the unique specialty that differentiate you from other companies which are like in India? You said like there is no other company which are doing this.
Yeah.
Like globally, you can compare your company to other.
So the thing is, we are a very customer-centric company. So our turnaround time is very less and we understand the pain and the requirement of customer at the same time because in this industry, everyone requires everything the other day.
Yeah, like spontaneous.
Very spontaneous. And then this is complex products, like it's not very simple. So the geometries are complex, the requirement is complex. Sometimes they don't even need rigidity. Sometimes they need very high stiffness. So where the product goes, that also holds a very important aspect. And we work with the three principles, like the commitment, we take it very seriously. Then the quality and the consistency. So we always work like if we give you the first product, saying the 100 product should also be like first product. So we replicate and we highly rely on quality. Again, and then as I said, we are customer centric. That means our communication should be very smooth with customer. And it's like we are 24/7 available. If any customer calls us, there are n number of numbers. If someone is not picking, they can call on the other number. But yeah, we always answer. We always at least give our 100% to satisfy our customer.
Okay, so like, could you explain what exactly the work of carbon is?
Okay, so we manufacture products out of carbon fiber, fiberglass, aramid fabrics, and specialized material like pores. Along with it, we integrate metals with composite. So in a sense, if you come to us, you'll get everything at one place. You don't have to go to n different number of vendors to get your product. So at Carbon Light, we manufacture advanced lightweight products. So the specialty of products, it's lightweight and at the same time, it's very high in strength. So you can compare them with metals, but it has superior quality. That it is very light. So weight to strength ratio is very good. And yes, we can provide the assembly. If someone wants us to get it assembled at our end, we are good for it. Like we tell them, no problem, whatever suits you, you let us know. We can get it done. Yeah.
So the next question is like, how do you all came with the idea? Like, what was the challenge you faced after deploying your company? Like, after deploying your products, like first after starting the company, like what was the challenge you faced?
So basically, there's no challenge as such, but you know, when a customer comes to you and you give us an order, so the first step is proof of concept. Or we call it FAI, first article inspection, so which is very important, and one has to do it very rigorously. So we make sure that whenever if there's a bulk requirement, the first article that goes should replicate all other products, and first article that goes, customer should say, yeah, that is approved. So at least we can freeze the specifications around it. At times this happens like the customer keep on changing the specification, which is also an hard part. And of course, then coming up with so many products is a very challenging task for us. So our technical director, Mr. Anuj, takes care of all the technical aspects. So yes, so he keeps on receiving new requirements at the same time, and our team are also very overwhelmed. Design team, R&D team, that they keep on working on new inquiries. But I guess that is what their passion is.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's all driven by passion. So in our logo, if you see, it always mentions Carbon Light driven by passion. So if you're not passionate, you cannot run this business. You have to be really passionate towards
what you're doing,
about what you're doing, and that's what keep you going. You wake up in the morning and you should be like, what is the next challenge I'm going to face in the office? So that's what keeps us going.
That is a great answer.
Yeah. And then also there's a approach that is like, you should be always open to learning. You should not feel that you know everything. So that is also one of the factors that you
like
keep
you
yourself
get to know
open.
more experiences, like what other persons want. So like you can have many experience based on the other customer requirements.
Yes,
that is the main point.
So you keep on moving, you keep on traveling, and you keep on learning, and don't be rigid in your approach. That is what I advise to all. And be open to learning and keep on improving yourself, because one need to work on themselves very hard. Keep going.
So the next question is like, where do you see your company after 2 or 3 years? Like,
we all have big dreams for this company. So definitely the future looks good, and we are expanding year on year. We are growing. And yes, with support of team, with support of customers, with support of our peers, is going great. And I believe, everything is going to be great. And I see really good future for this company.
Thank you
We're
so much.
not going to stop.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching Drone TV, your gateway to the latest in drone technology, GIS innovations, and AI-driven solutions. To partner with us or promote your company on Drone TV, visit www.dronetv.in. Contact us at +917 5201 23555.